All right, hi boys and girls. So we're gonna get started with our space unit again, or jump back in. So today what we're gonna do is, if you have this space flip book, I want you to get it out. And each day this week, we are going to listen to a story, and then we're gonna write a fact in our books about each planet. So in order to get started, if you would like to color your My Journey to Space, you can color your astronaut, you can color the border, have fun with it. You can be creative. All right, I'm gonna read a story about the planet that is closest to the sun, and that is the planet Mercury. Can everyone say Mercury? All right, let's go ahead and listen to this story and think about a fact that you could write about Mercury in your space flip book. So, this book is written by Thomas K. Adamson. Oh, I see a table of contents. Remember what kind of book this is? It's a nonfiction book. All right. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury moves around the sun faster than any other planet. So here's the solar system. This is the sun, and that is Mercury. Mercury can be colder than a freezer at night. Mercury can be hotter than an oven during the day. So it has both extremes. Mercury's size. Mercury is the smallest planet. Earth is 3 times wider than Mercury. So here's Earth, and here's Mercury. Mercury's surface is like the Earth's moon. So it says Mercury is a rocky planet. It does. It kind of looks like the moon. Mercury's surface looks gray. Dust covers the surface. Craters cover Mercury's surface. Large rocks called asteroids made these holes. So see those craters? You've probably heard that word before in a space book. Craters near the planet's poles have ice. Sunlight cannot shine on the ice to melt it. People in Mercury. Mercury does not have air or water. People and animals could not live on Mercury. People can sometimes see Mercury from Earth. Mercury looks like a dim star. See it? The end. All right, so we learned a lot about Mercury there. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is, in your space flip book, you will notice there's a picture here, and that is Mercury. It's very small. You can also see some of those like dents and holes. Do you remember what those were called? Craters. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to think about a fact that you learned about Mercury. One thing I learned is that Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. So I decided to write that in my flip book. So I came up with the sentence, it is closest to the sun. 6 words are in my sentence. You can copy my sentence, or it's okay if you come up with your own sentence. So I took my time and I started writing. Now every sentence starts with a capital letter. So make sure you start with a capital letter. I started with a capital I for the word it. It. Now in between my first word and my second word, I have to remember to add capital letters, spaces. So you can use a finger space, or you can get out an eraser, something to make a space. It, my next word was it is. So I'm writing is, I-S, space, and then I sounded out cl, o, close, est, closest, closest. Now I'm out of room, so I went onto my next line and I wrote to space the space sun. And then I ended my sentence with a period. Don't forget your end mark. All right, here's my sentence. You can copy mine or you can make your own. It is closest to the sun. And I used a gray and I colored Mercury. All right, thanks for tuning in.